Welcome to 200forexpips.com. So guys, I am here with another video, and that video is very interesting. So first of all, I will say do not skip this video, watch this video till the end so that you can understand that what we are going to launch into this forex market. So first of all guys, I was taking coaching sessions from a very long time, and I was getting a problem that many subscribers don't know about the good and interesting trading sessions. You know that we have three major sessions, like New York session, and then London session, and then the Asian market hours and Asian session. Okay, so they were getting the problem that they do not know which time is good for forex trading, so that's why we have to go with this. So guys, first of all, I will say that if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please press the subscribe button and also press the notification button so that you can be getting the forex trading updates from my side. Okay, and those subscribers who need this indicator, then they can contact me on info@200forexpips.com, or they can also contact me on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given in the description of the video below, and you can also join the WhatsApp group from the description of the video below as well. Okay guys, this is a very powerful tool that we have just introduced for the beginners as well as the experienced forex traders who do not have any idea that when the good market hours are here to do your forex trading work. Okay, so this indicator will help you to understand about the market momentum, and then you will be able to understand that which session is going right now. So guys, it's very simple. Like for example, if we talk about the green boxes, then you can see these are the Asian hours when they get started, and then Asian hours get into the forex London market, and the London market is into red color. So basically, you know that there are three sessions that are good for trading. That is London session, and then Asian hours are also good to trade. And then when the market enters into the New York session, then normally it gets slow. Okay, so these will help you. From here you can see in the green, I have told you, let me put the notepad here so that you can understand. Dark green color stands for start and end of the Asian hours. So when it starts, it make the green box, and then later green box will come. So Asian markets will be identified with the green color. Okay, and the red color is for the London market hours, and the dark blue color indicates that you are into the New York forex trading hours. So this is very good to understand. So for example, if I switch my chart to here, now this is kind of overlap because you can see that this is the overlap period because the market was closed on that day. So you can see the red session indicates that this was the London session was in here, and this is kind of overlapping here, and then it enters into the New York. Okay, let me show you another chart so that you can understand. Now look at here, the blue stands for the New York session. So guys, mostly you know that normally into the New York sessions we can say that the market gets a bit slow. So that's why this indicator is going to help you a lot. If you see here in the red, then you can see this is the you will tell me, okay, let me tell you again. So this is the London session, so that you can trade wisely. Because if you ask about my subscribers, then mostly I say my subscribers to trade at least 8 hours from the London session. They are very good for trading. You can see we can see a good volatility during that time, and the market behaves very good during that time. So this is good for your trading. Overall, when the market was closed, overall the picture was a bit slow, but overall if you go to the smaller time frames, you will find a lot of momentum in the market. Okay, and then guys, what else? So green stands for Asian hours, and then you can see another green that's kind of Asian hours are going to sleep here, and then we are going to enter into the London market. And when the London market states it was down, and then overlap came, and then market entered into the New York session. So guys, this is how you can use this, because many traders contact me from different parts of the world. They do not have any idea about the sessions. So this is a very good and a must tool every trader should have. So guys, this is kind of a very good video for those especially for beginners who just entered into the trading market, because they do not know that when trading sessions are good to trade. So mostly I give my words that London session is very good, and if you trade, at least plan your trades 8 hours from the London session, this could be a very good time. But overall guys, it depends on the volatility. If you see that even you can see during the overlapping time, the market also was volatile on USD CHF, and that was good to trade. But later on in the New York session, you can see a 2 hours drop here. So guys, the sessions are very important, and this is more focused by the experienced forex traders. Okay guys, hopefully you like this video. So those subscribers who want to get this a very good indicator, they can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. They can also contact me in my on my WhatsApp number +92318 6732851. This is given in the description of this video below, and guys, you can check the WhatsApp group link as well in the description of this video below. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button and share this video with everyone so that we can have maximum traders who can get advantage from the services. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.